Hi there, this is another video from me. And I am Joost. I'm gonna demonstrate how to level your bed with a BLTouch. So first go to prepare. In my case, let's reset the offset. And let's do it auto home. So now we can move the Z almost all the way down, and now it's not going to touch the glass, as you can see, way not touch the glass. So now we're going to go to the Z offset. Let's start with 2. And the paper should be moving back and forth. It's getting harder. In this case, I leave it at this value. And now we're going back and just level. And now you're ready to print something. Thank you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.